Okay guys, we got a 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. I'll link one in the description as well. So first thing you want to do, this little piece right here, we're going to pop it out and over here, push it down, pop it out. The next thing, just pop it off of these. There's no clips on the side holding it in. So now that's the cabin air filter door. Looking at it, I believe and pop it out like that. So you're pushing these down right here, and then this part just comes out. That's your cabin air filter. Very easy to get. Airflow pointing down. This one is definitely dirty. You can see that dirt right there. Again, I'll link one in the description for you guys. Cost about $10 to $20. If you do it at the dealership, probably about $40 to $80. So hopefully this helps. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.